So, today we are using Elmer's glue wall, which surprisingly is hard to find in Canada. I didn't realize it would be. I, in a previous video, used Amazon Basics washable school glue, and it made sort of like some neat spiderwebby cell things. Like, they're very sort of transparent and thin though. So I'm interested to see what happens when I try this one. I guess for now I will start off by doing half glue, half water. So I'm gonna do 4 flow ounces glue, 4 flow ounces of water, and shake it up. Okay, so for this first one today, I'm going to use Majestic Purple. I have not used this one yet. Vivid Yellow. I did use a little bit of this in one of the other paintings, I think. I also have not yet used Tropical Green, but we're going to try that one out. And we'll do a bit of Pacific Blue. Still just using these dollar store paints. That one was Fuchsia Fun. This one is Deep Turquoise. This one here is a 9 by 12 inch watercolor paper as well. So these colors are way thinner than I intended. They're like, to me it almost looks like just water. Maybe that's good? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna just start pouring some on. I think I'm just gonna do like some puddles or something. We'll see. One in the middle. I also, as you can see, I mixed up some white too, which is the thinnest of them all, and I keep adding more paint and it keeps not being thick. So, I don't know. But this is called experimentation, and I'm making a big mess. Okay, I need to be a bit slower and more deliberate with this, so I don't make too much of a mess. I haven't done puddle kind of pours before, so I'm not sure exactly what you're supposed to do for the technique, but we shall see. We are trying. The colors aren't bleeding together, at least. There's lots of bubbles in this, though. I don't know if I should have maybe popped the bubbles already. I feel like this is way too thin. So 1:1 for the glue all seems to be too much. My white's disappeared on that one. My paint's already running over. That's the thing about the canvas is it's a little bit easier to actually keep the paint on to start with. These are small. These watercolor pages are tiny, and then also the edges aren't going to be perfectly level and straight. They either bend up or bend down. So you lose paint before you want. think I've done way too much paint as well, but I know there's a calculator or a chart or something out there people use to figure out how much paint to do for their canvas size, but I haven't looked that up yet to figure any of that out. Okay, so it's a bit messy, but we are going to start tilting. Hope I'm not just left with all that purple and yellow. Don't really want to lose all my other colors. I can see the colors are kind of bleeding and running. Mostly that lime green color seems to be, it's running into the pink and into the white. I didn't torch it. I should have done that probably after I finished pouring. It's a lot of purple and yellow. And my other colors have really bled. It's not really my cup of tea right now. I really wanted more of that lime green and pink in there, but I think that ship has sailed. I like this part where my thumb was the best. Okay, well, I might add to this. First I'll torch it. Because there's lots and lots of bubbles. And there's a lump of something there. There are some cool things happening. I wonder if I can, what would happen if I take my little spatula? This is like a little cosmetic spatula. What happens if I swirl in here? Took too much away there. Just really want to break up some of that purple and yellow a little bit. I like that part in there. We're gonna try to tilt a little bit more.